Sometimes, when we want to plan a collage or a low-relief sculpture, we need very specific shapes in very specific sizes so that our plan comes together as we drew it in our sketch. So for example, I sketched out this tiger face here to make into a collage. I'll need to cut out these exact shapes, but how can I do that? Here are two options. Let's say I want to create my tiger's nose shape from this dark magazine page, or any dark paper or board. I can use tracing paper to help me copy the shape I need. Tracing paper is a translucent paper, meaning it's somewhat see-through. I can put the tracing paper over my drawing and trace my nose shape carefully onto it. Then I can cut a section of this magazine page that I want to use, put my tracing paper nose shape on top, and cut through both the tracing paper and the magazine paper, giving me the exact shape I need. While cutting, I make sure the two papers stay in alignment, meaning they're lined up and don't move around while I'm cutting. Notice how carefully I turn the papers before continuing to cut. Now I have the exact nose shape I need for my collage later. Another way I can use tracing paper to help cut out a precise shape is to trace and do a scribble transfer. Let's say I want to cut the nose shape out of a lighter colored paper or cardboard. I traced my nose again onto tracing paper, and now I will flip the tracing paper over face down. That part's really important. Now I scribble solidly with my graphite pencil over the lines that I traced. When scribbling on the back of the tracing paper, I use hard pressure with the pencil and color solidly over my traced lines. Once I finish that, I flip it over again so the original traced lines are face up. Now, I put the shape over the lighter colored paper or cardboard and trace my nose shape carefully and with hard pressure. This will transfer the scribbled graphite that's on the back onto the colored paper below. These transfer techniques can be used for both collage and sculpture. For example, when planning and creating a low-relief sculpture like some of these. When else could you apply these techniques?